So when you're trying to determine if something is volume, what you're doing is looking for space inside, and you're also looking for weight of something too, because that's the mass that takes up all the space. So let's go through these. Determining the amount of paint needed to paint a barn. Well, you're not filling the barn with paint, so that one will not work. On the second one, determining the monetary value of a piece of jewelry, now, gold jewelry. Now, this one's tricky, and here's why it's tricky, because you don't know. Is it, it's gold. It's gold on the outside, but it's gold all the way through. It takes up a lot of space. So we're going to say B actually does work. Filling the aquarium with buckets of water. That one also works. You're filling it up. On the next one, deciding how much wrapping paper you will need to wrap a gift. Well, unless you're filling the box with wrapping paper and it's all the way filled, then no, that is not volume. Packing a box with watermelons. Well, yes, because it's going to be filled with watermelons. And then charging a company for ad space on your race car. Well, you only put the stuff on the outside of the race car, so that's just space, it's area. And then finally, the last one, measuring the amount of gasoline left in the tank of a tractor. It's filling up space inside the tank. So B, C, E, and G are all correct.